William
and Robin
with the Riverstone Life, and it's day 3 in Kauai, Hawaii.
Oh, look at you saying it right again.
Getting rested up. but we did learn today that Monday through Friday is construction day.
Yes, so it's more busy than the weekend. How is that possible?
Yeah, because we kind of put this little road trip thing here off until Monday.
Hoping for the best. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Maybe the farther away will get better.
Yeah, maybe. We'll find out.
Oh well.
See if I can close this a little bit because I got
it's a little noisy.
A little bit of.
Ooh, don't knock it off.
Okay.
My goodness.
Perfect.
Maybe.
I got my other GoPro sticking out the sunroof.
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 Roof.
Roof.
The sunroof.
Sunroof.
Oh, you Wisconsinite.
Oh.
You and your rough oak roof.
Well, anyways.
That's how I'm from the East and
yes.
you're not.
Yeah, I know. And what's today's plan, Robin?
We're going to the Waimea and Kauai Coast tour.
We're actually
a little self-guided tour with
we downloaded this app on our phone. We did this in Maui, and it was awesome going on the, what's that road called on?
The Road to Hana.
Yeah, Road to Hana. And you can download that when you go do that one.
Yes.
That one was perfect. We don't know how good this one's going to be yet, but we've got it downloaded.
I'm sure it's going to be beautiful.
We're going to
the lush area.
Going to our starting point. This takes us to a Grand Canyon or something like that too, or something today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a big canyon here.
Waimea Canyon, if I'm pronouncing
Canyon
it
of the
right. I'm
Pacific.
so afraid to say Hawaiian
Yeah,
names.
I know. Robin can't deal with, crappy grammar like me.
Maybe it's my karma for correcting you so much.
24/7. Yeah.
Now I'm afraid to talk.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's all good. It's a little gloomy.
Let me get over this lane.
Hear the rooster?
I heard that rooster. I thought it was tires screeching.
That's hilarious.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna miss the roosters when we're gone.
You probably couldn't have them in Denver. I think people would shoot them and eat them.
Probably.
I'm sure there's a state law here, wouldn't you think?
Yeah.
I mean,
how many roosters
maybe they're sacred.
actually?
Maybe the Hawaiian people, they're sacred. Maybe that's what it is. Because nobody bothers them here, and everybody gets out of their way, and some of them are pretty big, so they've been around for a while.
Pretty cool.
Well, I guess we're gonna see what today's adventure. It is day 3.
Yeah, and we have no idea what's on this tour other than a canyon. So I guess we'll find out.
And the weather is a little cloudy and crappy looking right now.
It's blue over there. It's weird.
It's weird.
It's crappy here, blue over there, and blue over here. So I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
It is winter in Hawaii.
Yeah. And I think I should turn here because I know that this trip goes this way. And it has you going into like the town to start it. That's kind of weird,
Well, maybe there's a reason.
All right, we're going to find out. We'll be back. Right?
Yes.
Look who's back. Does our scenery look a little different?
Just a little. Where's our sunroof?
Oh, we lost our sunroof. We lost a lot of our fancy upgrades.
Yes. We downgraded.
We downgraded today. And now we're
on purpose.
And we're starting our trip completely all over. Redo. But you can't see it here, but I'll add it into the video. Right back there is the from the movie Jurassic Park. When they're flying in, when they first started flying in the first movie, that's it right back there. So that's pretty cool.
Looks pretty eerie.
Yeah, and way back there's the waterfall where the helicopter flies down in. It's too cloudy to see it.
No.
But they say you gotta take a helicopter flight if you want to experience that. It's too far back in there, you can't get to it. But anyways,
but that's what the tour people say.
That's what they say. And this is the retake because William had a flat tire. It only took 30 years.
Just 30?
30 years, and I had to change a tire on the side of the road in a rental car that only had 8,000 miles on it.
Yes, we did.
And they made us take it back.
That's a first.
Yeah.
I've never had a rental car tire issue until today.
And we went from a fully loaded Chevy Malibu with everything.
Yeah, it was
to a
nice.
Nissan pretty plain Jane. I mean, it only has 7,000 miles. It's like a new car, but nothing like that Chevy had.
No.
Yeah. Oh well. But at least we're
do?
back on the road again, and
We're gonna take two.
Retake two, right?
Retake two.
Retake two. Way back there, that's from the scene of Jurassic Park when they first start flying in there. And way back there is the waterfall where the helicopter actually drops down in that you can't see from where we're at. Right, Robin?
That's what they said.
That's what they say. They say you gotta have a helicopter to experience that. Maybe we need to go spend $700, Robin, and find one of those guys to take us back there.
Maybe.
I can't even breathe. This is what they call the Grand Canyon of the Pacific.
Yes.
Who would have thought that this was on this island?
It's beautiful.
Look at the waterfall way off in the distance.
This is what 3,400 feet get you.
Yep. Went from sea level to 3,400 feet. That's pretty cool. I'll use my camera and view on that. I'm gonna walk around here real quick.
Which side? Which side? You don't have any time. Should I do a piano?
Might be an idea.
Oh, that is beautiful right here. So cute.
See, we're just both in there, right?
I don't know.
Can you point at it? There's a waterfall right down in there. There we go. I think so. Yeah, it's a big difference. You got little legs?
Little legs.
Check this out. I'm surprised they allow you to just wander around on it. Yeah. Oh, here's some water coming through. Okay, Robin's gonna jump.
No, no.
Jump, Robin!
Little legs.
Let's go up here and see what we got. We got our river running through here. Check that out. Sorry folks, didn't mean to ruin your picnic. That's cool. And yes, I'm climbing another hill. You must be in better shape right now because you're always ahead of me lately. Usually I'm dragging you up these things.
Right? And I suffer from short leg syndrome.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how I'm in front of you.
I suffer from old lungs. Oh.
Oh, there's not gonna be too much here.
I don't know if we're going to see anything because we got here a little late because of our tire mishap. We're supposed to get here early before the rain clouds move in every night. But we've still seen a lot of cool stuff, right, Robin?
Yes,
All right. Can you see anything?
I don't see anything.
Yep.
What?
Very beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Hey, Rob. Well, there is an ocean down there. See? See it right there?
A little bit.
You can see a little bit of the ocean. Look at a little bit of the green right there.
Looks creepy.
Film it.
Well, I went from a wooden bridge to this concrete structure. The kids are out here in the water. They just climbed up that ladder, and the kid's soaking wet. He jumped in. Got it all to ourselves. Look at that.
Kauai in December.
Well, this is nice. Somebody put some flowers out here for something. Yeah, that's cool. We just came from way up there in the mountains. 4,000 feet. Correct, Robin? I think that's what it was. Yeah. We were in the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. So you want to recap what we did today? You even remember? What was that sand thing, the red dirt river thing we seen?
Red Dirt Waterfall?
Oh, red dirt waterfall.
I think that's what I read.
I don't know. It was a red dirt waterfall,
Yes.
and
What else? We tried to see the Nepali coast, but
it was pretty cloudy.
saw some of it.
But we got to see the water, you know, the part where they do on the Jurassic Park where they fly in with the helicopter, and we even saw helicopters. I got some pictures of a helicopter flying by the waterfall, so it's kind of cool. We got, you know,
Got a flat tire.
Got a flat tire today.
Fixed the said flat tire.
We have not ate anything.
We've been eating junk food.
No, I think you
That's
gave me
what I
like
survived.
4 cookies or something is what I had today. I've had no caffeine except the espresso this morning. Yeah, I'm tired. It's been a long day. We need to find food, and
hopefully
you
maybe
think
a
we're gonna get a
sunset?
sunset? I don't know. It seems like the clouds have come out. They just come out every night.
Yeah.
In the afternoon, it's absolutely beautiful in the morning when you get up. The sun's shining, and it's beautiful till like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it starts changing, and then you start to get the haze or the rain. It's still beautiful. The weather's beautiful. I mean, and I don't know.
Haven't seen a majestic.
Yeah, we like to get one sunset out of this trip because
that would be lovely.
I'm sure if the sun was out all the time, I'd be complaining it was too hot, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because it's beautiful. This type of weather, I love this. Cooler, a little bit of a breeze. What is this town? Do you remember what this town is that we're in?
Waimea? Probably butchering it.
It's the same place that
I'll
we...
put it in the description.
Yeah, because it's the same
place where
that we did the
had
Christmas light.
yeah.
Yeah, we got stranded here for 3 hours long.
Oh, look, you can see how dark.
Yeah.
And then you go over and look
And
at
it turns,
sand.
yeah, the sand gets your light color.
How fun is that?
I wonder why that's weird.
I don't know, I'll have to
It must have something to do maybe with that.
Google it.
Yeah, you have to Google it. 'Cause, yeah.
That's cool how it just goes from there.
Yeah, I didn't know we were going to walk out on this thing. This is nice. Oh, well. Well, Robin, I think this is the end of our day, don't you?
I don't know.
Unless I want to watch the stuff our face with food. That seems to be a thing on YouTube.
Food?
Yeah, food, but maybe we'll add that to it if we find some food. But if we don't, just remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Drove 100,000 miles this year. Haven't had a flat on any of our vehicles, and a rental car that's got 8,000 miles on it gets a flat tire.